Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and P39 Cobra 2, the maiden flight. This is an FMS plane, hand-painted pilot, and all the bells and whistles. Beautiful model. I hope we don't crash it because I'm out of practice flying manual models. So here we go. Let me taxi. So the rudder trim is a little bit off. For now it will do, I believe. Let me just set the expo on the rudder so that I will not oversteer it. Alright, all good. I hope this is the wind direction to take off. Sweet. Inshallah, took off really well. CG looks good. So far flying really nice. I'm trying not to stall it. Yeah, I'm really out of practice to fly manual models. It's a racer, but right now we are running a scaled 4-blade prop, so it's not gonna offer those speeds, because FMS says if you want higher speeds, you gotta put a 2-blade prop, and I believe that prop has to be a very high-pitched prop. Woo! Nice. Aerobatics. This baby on the runway can get hurt badly. You can tell him. Responses are good. Pretty agile. I'm not running any dual rates at the moment. I'm just with some of the expos, nothing much. Track's really good. Track's really nice. Turns are really nice and agile. I just need to make sure I don't stall it, because with this little wingspan, if it stalls, it will be really difficult to control. Still gotta set a bit of more rudder trim, aileron trims. Flies really nice, and it's quiet. I think it needs a sound system. I have one GT Power airplane sound system lying at my house, but the problem is this plane looks pretty small to actually have a sound system on board, and those speakers are gonna make it very, very heavy to fly. I mean, I can still balance the CG with those speakers, but it's gonna be very, very nose heavy. Flight time seems to be really nice. Now I'm having fun. It's always good to be back to, you know, line of sight, manual flight. Shall we practice a landing? so I have to come from this side to land actually. And let's make an approach. I'm not gonna use flaps because I might stall it. I'm just gonna land without flaps. Beautiful. Hey, my skills for landing this still alive.